the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, Huawei's latest flagship model for the Mate 30 series. And here with me today is a 256 gig internal memory with 8 gigs of RAM. It is a fresh black box that I have not opened yet. And just to show you that it's still sealed, let's go around the corners. So Mate 30 Pro with the model number, and you can see in the 4 corners the sealing of Freshness. Yes, Huawei really designs nice boxes. And before I open, let's compare it to the P30 Pro, which uses a white design. As you can see, it is a strong contrast between white and black. White for the P30 Pro series and black for the Mate 30 Pro series. And now let's proceed to opening this box, which for one more time I will show you, it is freshly sealed. And now, dear viewers, let us proceed to the unboxing of this flagship model. It's so well sealed that I find it challenging to open it without having to destroy the box. Now that I've seen the opening, I can proceed to gently tearing this box open. Glossy with the plastic cover, but matte with the final design. As you can see, no damages with the razor blade here. And let's open this wonderful product. Gently, I take it up. And what do we have here? The phone itself in its full silver glory, still sealed with all its stickers. Nice red power button, fingerprint display, and let's go to the box. Nice to see that it has its decals, which you can see here, silver, and the serial numbers. What else is inside the box? If you're like me, you're hoping that you would see, aside from the SIM ejector tool, the jelly case that comes with it. Oh, I stand corrected. It is not a jelly case. Feels more plastic. Nice touch by Huawei though. At least they provide free cases just to make sure that your model is as protected as possible. So now let's set these aside and see what is inside. The 40-watt charger. I'm happy that Huawei included this. I had this with the P30 Pro series, and it feels good that they are focusing on fast wired charging. So let's put this aside. Go back to the box, and what do we have here? Cable. See? Nicely packaged and sealed. And lastly, thank goodness, free USB Type-C earphones, fresh from the box. Well, dear viewers, it has been a pleasure showing you what has been inside this box. And once again, before I close the video, here is the Mate 30 Pro without the distractions. Fully sealed in all its glory with a beautiful power button and matching stickers to show its freshness. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.